Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Monday market webcast. Okay, we opened in about 22 minutes, so I will not be droning on today. Here's the bottom line. It's the grind higher. It continues. We've been talking about it for a couple of weeks. We've been looking at that 9-day, the blue line there on the daily chart for a few weeks now. And look, the bears cannot convert that line. And as long as the bears cannot convert that line on a closing basis and then follow through. So we've talked about meaningful downside. In the absence of meaningful downside, this tape will continue to go up. Like it or not, we're going to keep going up. Did it again last night. So the high of the moment is 31.2775. They played around, traded as low as 95 and change on Friday, but that was just another dip to be bought. Just another dip to be bought. So I think once we get into the regular session here, they've taken it down. We're trading 15.75 right now, so they've taken a little bit off it. Let's look at the hourly chart. Hourly midband comes in at 18.63 or 18.83 rather, so call it 19. You can see your new weekly pivot down there, 31.0433. I just wrote down, that we're just climbing the stairs. New all-time high, support. So I'll be interested to see if the hourly midband, if they can get price back up on top of here. If they can't, then maybe we go ahead and take a Monday trip down to the weekly pivot. Now, before you get all excited, that's not necessarily bearish. In fact, it might be the most bullish thing that happens all week. Remember what happened last week. We can't convert the weekly pivot to resistance. We can't convert the weekly pivot to resistance. We can't convert the weekly pivot to resistance. And so what happens on Friday? They take it right up in your face. That's what they do. So, could we fight over weekly pivot for a day or two? Absolutely. Does that necessarily mean the bears are going to win? No, it hasn't. It hasn't the last couple of weeks. I'll zoom this thing out. Bears aren't winning much. In fact, they're not winning anything at all. Not on a follow-through basis. You see the weekly pivot from last week. Weekly pivot the week before, that didn't even get a look. Right here was the one where they opened up. I think they opened up on Sunday. No, this one didn't get a look either. This is the one where they opened up on Sunday. It's just off the side of the chart. Anyway, the point I'm trying to emphasize is the bears have really put themselves in a hole here. And they're going to need to do something that looks like sustainable downside to turn the tide. In the absence of sustainable news, in a vacuum, this market will go up. In a vacuum, this market has gone up for 10 years. I'm not coming in here this morning with breaking news. So, keep an eye on 19. Volume weighted average price is at 20. 5-minute midband is at 20. Proprietary moving average is at 21. So 19 to 21 is going to be the deal off the open. You convert that, it can go down to 04. But look, this is one of these rallies that everybody hates. Everybody wants to fight. Everybody complains about. And it's a rally that you just have to come in, find the best opportunity to buy, and then you go ahead and take a walk to the upside. So right now we're flat. I got flat Friday. I punched out of the longs on Friday, and I didn't trade last night. I wasn't really around, so I missed this middle of the night move up to 31.2775. But I usually miss middle of the night moves anyway. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. Come join us in the room. There'll be more stuff out on social. Check that out. Trade them well. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.